Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable or disable right-click in Windows 10. Type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar. Click Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates under User Configuration. Click All Settings. Click Remove File Explorer's default context menu. Click Enable. Right-click is disabled. Click Not Configured, Apply. Right-click is enabled. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.